It's November 10th in my garden, and I thought I would show you the color inspiration that thrills me to pieces when I'm painting, that I can look outside and see this color palette. So my garden is part of my passion and part of this channel, and welcome. And I thank you for following. It's a new channel. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm thrilled, but I'm gonna take you for a quick walk around my garden and show you some color theory, some layering, and just this gorgeous, crisp, rainy morning in the garden. I hope it inspires you too. I desire in my life to live and work artfully, and I enjoy so much my garden. And like painting, a garden is full of layers and color contrast and color theory and beautiful textures. Look at this oak leaf hydrangea living its best life. Look at the contrast between the greens and the reds, and now the beautiful siennas. Like, that's a painting palette right there. Just put some of these cuttings in a vase and use it to inspire you in your painting. And then the contrast between the cream hydrangeas in the back. Nature is our inspiration. The flowers and the bed, a lot of the annuals have been taken out and the beds have been put to sleep for the winter. But I am so enjoying, before I rake up the leaves, the color contrast again. Look at this nature. Burgundy and the cream and the kind of yellow. Complementary colors, purple and yellow. Where's it purple and orange? I never remember. Give you a quick tour. Don't want to take too much of your time, but I want you to be inspired to get outside, look at the colors, be inspired by it. And here's the backyard in front of the studio. I come out, it's almost time to change the pumpkins to Christmas, but I've come out of that sliding door, come across the deck, and into my studio. My garden is full of thrifted finds, things that I find and I love to put in the garden, like this great big leaf. Believe it or not, I found it at a garage sale. Here's my studio. This is where I work. And here's my view and my studio garden. Layering again, color contrast, complementary colors. You can see where I get my love of green and all things nature. The trees here, we live in a little bit of a special climate, and somehow a lot of trees either have lost their leaves or some of them haven't turned at all. But look at this glorious layering of shape, form, height, contrast. And I moved this miscanthus grass. It'll be fine for next year and it'll look glorious, but I had to move it into that spot, so it's not doing so great, but it will. And the tulips that are gonna come up that I've planted, it's gonna be exciting. So thank you for hanging out with me while I have this garden tour.